Okay, it's me here, Mr. Sinasura again, and today I have a work in progress video number 1 for the Master Grade and GM Snapper Custom. And as you can see here, I have already finished assemble the RS78 1U version, and some part of it have already been primed and equipped with the GM Snapper conversion. In this video, I will cover of how to convert the RS78 into the GM Snapper Custom. So let's take a look at the head first. The Bandai head, we don't need it because it's completely different from GM Snapper Custom. Okay. This is the head. Very unique looking. You can see I have already primed the head, but still there's a little nub mark in here, which I need to sand it off later. The head is pretty much very straightforward. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in total. Oh no, 8 pieces, including the GM visor inside the head. So basically all you need to do is just slide the visor inside the two halves of the head, and then we put it together, and the two cover here are held by the two little rounded thing beside the head, so it keeps the covers in place. But it's a little bit tricky to do because the pack in here is very small and it's not quite secure. But once you have light it correctly, it will stay in place. And the antenna is very easy to connect. And next one, it will be the pack. The pack will come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 2 of the thruster, which we need to take it from the pack of the RS78. So the first impression in it is the joint is very loose. So okay, I will show you how to put it together first. So we just slide these two in. These two bolt joint here, I made it up myself because the original is very suck. The original is this part right here. It's not in a focus. Oops. It's not in a bolt joint, it's just a pack. So all you need to do is to sand it off and then glue the bolt joint inside. So, and I take a thruster from my Master Grade Perfect Gundam. It's a lot better than the small one here. And then this pack in here, I have taken it by flat plate, so it helps this to stay in place more secure. And the 2 thrusters from the RS78 will be plugged in here. and that's it. And this part will cover the whole inside. So that is the backpack. And then the upper part of the body. This is the original body of the R78. So all you need to do is take this apart and take it away, we don't need it. And also the cover, the vent cover, and this one as well, we don't need that and that. So we slide back together, put it back together, and there is not so many parts for the body. It's just the two vents, the cover for the chest, and that's it. So all you need to do, just slide the original cover, you slide in the BC inside, and this part I also thickened it by block plate to help it to stay in place. So slide in there, no problem. This one as well. And here we go. And connect the head. And also the backpack. Okay, we don't need the cover there. That's it for the body. And to the lower half of the body, the torso. Here, we don't need that and that. The whole cover, front cover also don't need it. The threes as well, and those will be replaced by the GM9 Sniper Custom version. Very easy, just put it in. No, everything comes in one piece, very secure, I guess. And that's it. Let me just zoom out for the detail. Zoom in first, sorry. Very detailed. And then put it all together. And now we started to see how GM Stabber comes together. To the leg, this is the most complicated part. So basically you need to take off all of the lower half of the armor and then replace it with these. But the problem I have is that the two cover doesn't seem to fit very well. It leaves a gap in here. So what I do, at first I'm taking a look at the problem. And I find out that because of this bit is very big, so it kind of make it doesn't let the two cover to snap together. So, and also the pack in here is so long, so I already cut it. And my solution for this problem is to cut, or have I already told you, cut the pack and also cut the upper half of the back cover, and now I have this leg. The zoom in. The gap have already been filled, and the back cover have also cut out, leave, and you can see some of the detail of the inner frame. It still leave a little bit of glue there, but it's very easy to sand, so nothing fancy. Oh, and the fit cover, and we need to slide in there. Okay, is it in the right place? Yeah. Oh, here, yeah. Unfortunately, there is no connection, nothing there. So I'm thinking of glue it on together, because there's no way I can make it stay in place just beside glue. So I'll do it later. Okay, it's time to take it on together. Wow, we can take it off, the parts away, put it back in again. And then to the arm, there's nothing to do with the arm, but only just the, I think, the beam saber for the on the side of the hand, the side of the arm, sorry. And this is also a big problem. So this is the beam saber holder, and this is the pack and the hole for to connect these two pieces together. And it's a problem, it cannot stay in place because of the pack is very small and the hole also very small either, so you cannot get in. So my solution is I put a small magnet inside, and also a small magnet inside here. So yeah, I need to drill a hole there because the small magnet take up so many space, so that's the only way I can fit it in. So when you slide it there, and then it stay in place, and the hole in there will be covered by the beam saber. This is the original beam saber, and because this is too long to fit it in, so we need to trim it off. Is here. Oh, it's so hard to cover. I need to focus, sorry. And slide in. The friction will have it stay in place. Yeah, we have it. Now it's time to put it all together. the other arms. Okay. Oh, I forgot one thing. The back of the leg we also have two small thruster. Just demonstrate in here. Come on. Yeah. And now we see a complete GM Sniper custom. Of course, it's not fully complete, but you see, but you still get the idea. And there is also a gun for it in here. But I don't think I will use this one. I may or may not use because I don't quite like the design of the gun. And as I have already said in my blog, I will replace this one with the gun from the GM Sniper, the Bandai version. My friends have it, so I will ask him to do a recent recast. Maybe that will look even more better than this one. And if he doesn't allow me to do so, I will just use this one. So yeah. And for the visor of the hat, I have already ordered the the color, I don't know what to call it, but I will put a link below the description. It's like a decals but with colorful, a lot of color. And as far as the color scheme, I think I will stick with the original one because I cannot think of any good color scheme. I intend to do some camouflage on the outer armor, but I don't know. I don't think I will like that one. So that's it for the first work in progress video, and I will see you on the next video. Probably will be next week. So thank you for watching.